Hello all, today I am gonna discuss with you the semiconductor junction diode. Now what is a PN junction diode? Well, when a single crystal semiconductor is doped with acceptor and other side it is doped with donor, a PN junction is formed. As shown in the figure, one half is p-type material and another half is another n-type material, and the area where it is being connected is known as junction area. So that's why it is called as PN junction diode. Now as you can see in the figure 2, we have a symbolic representation of a PN junction diode. It is shown by a triangle with a bar. The direction of a triangle shows the direction of conventional current, and the two legs of the diode is named as anode or positive, another one is cathode or negative. Now in practical case, the diode can be represented as a cylindrical structure and a silver lining in one side is used to show the cathode leg of the diode. Now if we look inside a diode, what actually happens? In the P side of diode, it is doped with trivalent element, and trivalent element, we know it has 3 electron in the outermost cell and there is a hole. So due to the presence of hole in covalent bond, it is shown by here in the figure, it is shown, the holes are shown as a positive circles, and in N side comprises of pentavalent semiconductor material where an extra electron in the covalent bond is shown as a negative sign within a circle. Now due to the formation of junction between p-type material and n-type material, due to the variation of free charge density, the flow of hole takes place from p side to n side, and due to the differences of concentration gradient, the electrons move from n side to p side. So this total flow of holes from p side to n side and electrons from n side to p side can be summarized as a flow of current. So in PN junction diode, the total current is due to the flow of holes as well as the flow of electrons. Now as there is a flow of holes from p side to n side, there will be an appearance of immobilized negatively charged ion on the p side, and due to the presence of due to the flow of electrons from n side to p side, there will be a appearance of positively charged donor ion on the n side. These two charges forms a region in the junction which is known as space charge region or transition region. It is referred as a depletion region because it is devoid of any mobile charge carriers. Yet, summing as a whole, our semiconductor diode can be said as a neutral element because there is balance of both positive and negative charges. Yet, the depletion region is acting as an insulative layer between two charged plates, one positively charged acceptor ion in the n side and negatively charged donor ion in the N side. That's it for today. In the next video, we will discuss about the characteristic of a p-n junction diode. Thank you.